आइए दोस्तों, आज हम बात करते हैं मोशन यानी गति के बारे में। वी कैन डिफाइन मोशन एज चेंज ऑफ पोजीशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट with respect to the time. You can see examples of motion everywhere. The bus, train, or airplane moving from A place to B. The flying birds. Everything that is moving from A place to B place to C place or D place exhibit motion. Even the air we breathe exhibit motion. We can say that every physical process in the universe exhibit motion. The motion is mainly of three types: linear motion, rotary motion, the oscillatory motion. If you want a detailed video on this topic, please comment below. I will make a separate video to explain various types of motions. We all know about the great scientist Isaac Newton who discovered three laws of motion. I will explain them one by one. The first law states that if an object is at rest, continues to be at rest until an external force applied on it, and if an object or body in motion continues to be in motion until an external force is applied to stop it. In other words, we can say that an object resists to change its state of motion or rest. This quality is called inertia. We can see very good example of this in the cars. The seat belt is provided to keep our body at rest if collision of car happened. So we can say that the seat belt acts as an external force, and if seat belt is not there, our body tends to be in motion with car and can lead to severe injury. Coming to the second law, to understand second law, we have to understand momentum. The momentum is the product of mass and velocity. If mass or velocity of an object is more, it will have more momentum, and the same will have more impact or force on another object. So, second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied force. If we derive second law of motion mathematically, we will get formula of force, which is force is the product of mass and acceleration of the body. In the name of the Isaac Newton, SI unit of force is given name Newton or the letter N. Coming to the third law of motion, it is a very common law and easy to understand. It states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. These action reaction forces act on two different bodies. We can see infinite number of examples of Newton's third law of motion. Like while walking, we push ground and then ground in turn push us back. While firing a gun, the bullet pushes gun backward and gets an outward force to hit the target. And there are many other examples you can see in your surrounding. That is all for today. If any query with the related topic, please comment below. Do share and subscribe if you find this information helpful. Thank you.